Hey guys, Martin with Cypress Computers today, and we're going to be talking about the NVMe solid state drive from Western Digital Black Series. Alright guys, so this is the box right here. You get your 3000 megabytes per second reading speed, then your 250 gig SSD. Now you have a 5-year warranty with this solid state drives. They're NVMe, so they're 10 times faster than a regular spinning hard drive. They're built into the motherboard, so there's no connections between on cables and stuff like that. On the other side, you're gonna have all of your barcode and then like your serial number and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. We're gonna be using the special killer knife. So you get your manuals and all the stuff that you need, pretty much to tell you how things work out. So here it is. It's a NVMe solid state drive, 250 gig. So pretty much goes right into the motherboard. We're gonna be using this for a custom build in a future video. So just be updated on this very fast solid state drives. It's pretty much inexpensive nowadays, so looking forward to put up that build and see you guys on that. Alright guys, so that was pretty much the unboxing video over there. It's pretty much straightforward. There's no rocket science on that. These are very fast units, so if you're looking for gaming and speed wise, this is top of the line right now. We're gonna be uploading a video using this solid state drive and showing you how fast it is on a custom build running a i7 processor. So, or you can give us a call back at 281-647-9977. Thank you.